What's up, beautiful entrepreneurs? Winter is coming, and for some of us, it's already here. But not everybody likes body butter or even emulsified body butter. But now you can give them the option of a super hydrating, all natural hemp body oil that nourishes dry skin, but also helps to keep your skin looking young and fresh. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into the video. So first, let's get into making our body oil. Now for this body oil, the main ingredient is going to be hemp oil. Now, the biggest thing that I want to mention here is that with the oil that I'm using is the hemp seed oil. And now this is a big difference from actual hemp oil. Hemp oil is a really thick consistency that's actually derived and extracted from the hemp plant itself. But hemp seed oil is going to be a more lightweight oil that is actually extracted from the seed of the hemp plant. So there's going to be two different products that you can purchase. But for this particular formula, I'm going to be using the hemp seed oil because of its lightweight qualities. It's going to have more of a light yellowish tint to it. It doesn't have too strong of a scent that I find, but it's going to be a really lightweight oil that feels really hydrating on the skin. It's full of omega-3s, a lot of vitamin A, vitamin E within this product, and it's going to really help to nourish dry skin. It helps to get rid of any flaky skin. It's really great for acne prone skin, so if you have really oily skin, this is going to be a really great product for you to use as well. I'm going to be using the hemp seed oil at 40% of the overall formula. The next ingredient is going to be sunflower oil. Now with sunflower oil, it's going to be a really lightweight oil, so it's going to really pair well with the hemp oil and just really kind of help balance it out as a carrier oil for this formula. Sunflower oil is really great at unclogging pores. It's really full of vitamin A, C, and E, and it just really helps to nourish your skin, really helping to give you more youthful, bright, and fresh looking skin. And with it being so lightweight, it's not too heavy on your skin, and so it really penetrates through your skin really nicely. With the sunflower oil, I'm going to be using this at 25%. Then next is going to be avocado oil. Now with avocado oil, it's a really fatty oil, so it's going to be really great for dry skin. It's going to be a little bit of a thicker oil. You can use olive oil as an alternative to avocado oil if you would prefer, but I find that with the avocado oil, the way that it makes this body oil in particular feel, it also helps to thicken it up a little bit, but also add in a lot more nutrients and really helping to liven up your skin and tighten up your skin as well. So avocado oil is a really good add-on here. Now I'm only going to be adding this in at 15%. Now the next ingredient that we're going to be using is castor oil. Not to be mistaken with Jamaican black castor oil. That's going to be a lot thicker of a substance and it's going to have more of a dark hue to it. But we're going to be using regular cold pressed castor oil. And with regular castor oil, you're going to find that this is still a bit of a thicker quality of an oil. It has more of a yellowish tint to it as well, but with your castor oil, it's going to really help to penetrate through your skin. It really helps to unclog your pores as well, and it's really actually great for acne prone skin because of the antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties within castor oil. It actually helps to reduce the look of enlarged pimples or enlarged inflammation from sunburns, so it's really great to calm down your skin and get rid of also any redness that may appear from any sunburns or sunspots or from any acne that you may have. So if you're selling this as a body oil for body acne, or if you're using this as a face oil as well, then this can be really great for the anti-inflammatory properties that will help with the look of acne on your skin. And we're going to be using castor oil at 10% of the overall formula. Okay, now our next ingredient is going to be pumpkin seed oil. Now this is a really great oil. I love pumpkin seed oil because it really helps to rejuvenate your skin. It actually has vitamin C that actually helps with the production of collagen within your skin, which helps to keep your skin's elasticity and keeps your skin looking firm and youthful, which is the biggest thing with this body oil, is really having a more youthful appearance, really helping with like the anti-aging properties with an an all-natural oil. And we're going to be using our pumpkin seed oil at 10% of the formula. Now, we'll also be adding in vitamin E to this formula because we need this to extend the shelf life of the formula and to make sure that the oils do not go rancid, and the vitamin E is going to help with that. So we're only using that in at 1%. Okay, now you guys, for the fragrance of this body oil. This is an all natural fragrance oil, and I got this from their line at Brambleberry, and this is the coconut rose fragrance. This is a really light floral scent, but it's also very fruity as well. It's not a very strong fragrance and it doesn't last very long, but it really helps in the natural aspect of having a nice light fragrance when it comes to an all natural product, because it's taking the parts of the essential oils to make these fragrances. If you're interested in these natural fragrances from Brambleberry, click on the video here where I go more in depth on all of those fragrances, and I'll catch you in the next one.